$1,600 for that one. I don't know. Had 250,000 miles. I don't know what you're gonna sell that for, man. I don't know.
You wanna get ahead, sometimes you gotta go without, you feel me? You have to make a lot of sacrifices for this shit, man, you know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah, what's going on, everybody? You know, up early in the morning, 8 o'clock in the morning. Going, you know, gotta be up early. Auction started at 9, so you know. Shout out to Lucky, you know, rocking the merch for him, man. You know, always supporting. You know, got dropped off this morning here at my grandma's house, you know, because I don't like driving. So I'm going to ride on my brother's and them gas today. So, you know, got one of the box trucks parked out in front of the grandma's house. My brother's Camaro. So, you know, he's fixing that one up. My other brother got another Camaro. We all got 3rd gen Camaros. Yeah, we about to head out to the auction. Maybe we get a little auction footage, see what this car is going for, you know. See if we can get some good deals today, hopefully, you know. You know, if we don't, I still got cars a lot to sell. So, you know, we sold 2 cars this week, you know, so just one more to hit my weekly goal. So let's get to that auction, man. Look at that, you know. Up here at the auction, made it through Oklahoma Auto Exchange dealer only auction. You know, about to start here at 9. Everybody, cars parked everywhere, all these dealers. You know. All these dealers here, man. So look at all this competition. You gotta bid against me. All these, you know, you see we came yesterday, none of these cars are out here. That dealers come, you know, a lot of people out here, so you know it's a lot of competition. That's why, you know, it gets harder buying cars when there's so many people, you know. So, but hey, you know, come in, get what you can get, you know, do what you can do, you know, make it happen, you know, try to make it happen. Getting the cars ready. How's it going this morning?
It's doing well.
That's what we like to hear. In. You know, you come in here. Gotta get my bidding number. Can't let y'all see that. Print off my badge?
It's not bad. It's saved in there. So I type my number and your number come right with mine.
We gotta get some footage in here. All the dealers piling up. You gotta make sure you put the sticker on, you know, get a chance to win the early morning money. Got some good cars today?
Yeah, it's matter of fact, this is gonna be an Ultima. Come through here. This is 08, but it ought to be able to be bought cheap. And it's got 200 some thousand miles. You got $100,000.
You can't buy nothing cheap. Maybe this van right here. This van might be the only thing you're able to get cheap. Oh yeah, we went out there. Nothing much, just a waste of time. And getting all the cars up and running. Good time, you know. Get there a little bit early, you know. Hear them all running, you know. Okay. All right. Let's see. See what else. Let's go take a little walk.
Hi.
How's it going?
Good. How are you?
That's what good.
We got off on the rock and start with that first came back to where I
You gotta save some cars out here, Lance. Y'all gotta save me some cars out here. Y'all can't buy them all. Y'all gotta let me get some.
You got friends, man. 281, I got plenty of money.
Oh, 281. I don't know who 281 is.
Man, they said, I seen on Facebook, they said you need to, they said we looking for a black business that sell good cheap cars. And I seen Dollar and Dream name popped up on the screen, for real.
Yeah, they know who to.
I hit the like button, I said, you're right.
You know they know who to come to. Dollar and the Dream. You know. You hear that? Dollar and the Dream is who you come to. Black-owned business that sells good, cheap cars. You know, try to help people get good cars. Try to give y'all good information. Give people good cars that they can get from point A to B, and also give them some little information on how they can build their credit. So then the next time they come back, we can help them get a more expensive car. Then you know they can come back and we can get them an even more expensive car. You know, help keep going on and on. You know, yeah. Get a little bit more footage, and then let's get some car price footage when it happens. So let's get to the auction. Let me go get some breakfast. You know, they do give you complimentary breakfast every morning, but I just need me an orange juice and a donut, get my morning started. Little Honda Civic, wasn't a bad deal. I mean, it had 243,000 miles on it. Don't know exactly how it ran. Sold for $600. Can't beat that. Don't know how it runs, but I mean, it's a little Honda Civic. Can't beat it. Body was in fairly good shape. Tires was in pretty good shape. Let's see what else we got.
$100 truck, 2 Jeeps, $7,000, second one. $6,000, $6,000 on the last truck, $6,000 down security, waiting on the call, $59.
500 HD. That's the best you're gonna see. Here's the truck up close on it after the sale. Can't really beat it. Needs a good detail though. Look like somebody's work truck, so you know, maybe been ridden hard or something. I don't know. You never know. But for the price, I mean, 220,000 miles. I mean, paint job touched up, but for 2011, 5,900 don't seem like a bad deal to me. But yeah, let's get back to the auction video. I mean, if you haven't already, you know, like this video, subscribe to the channel, you know, keep giving you guys information. I appreciate all the support. You know, let me get it on my face. I appreciate all the love and support. Keep giving you guys videos and information today and for the week. So just keep following me, keep dropping comments on what you guys want to see and what you guys want to know. Just message me. I'm always available. You know, Patreon link is going to be in the description. Like I said, it's $5 to join and $5 a month, and I'll be giving you guys a little bit more information that I can. But hey, I'm out. See you guys in the next video.